And when God gives new strength, you'll see it in one of three ways. He tells you in verse 31. They will mount up with wings like eagles. The first way that God gives new strength is his divine intervention. When an eagle kicks out an eaglet the first time, a baby eagle, it's trying to learn to fly. Usually the first time it can't fly because it doesn't know yet how to fly. So it's just flailing, trying to make it. Anybody flailing, trying to make it? But what the eagle will do when it sees the eaglet falling and it's not gonna make it, the eagle swoops down, opens its wings, and catches the eaglet on the wing and lifts it back up to the nest. One way God gives you new strength is by swooping into your situation, grabbing you and lifting you out of it. It's when God supernaturally intervenes and blows your mind by turning something around, by switching something, by reversing something. And that's when you get your praise on. That's when you say, isn't God good all the time? All the time, God is good. Because he came out of nowhere and with eagle's wings lifted you out of it. That's one way that God gives new strength.
There's no one like you, Jesus. There's no one like you, Jesus.